Today, we're diving deep into the world of YouTube's algorithm and uncovering the secrets that can significantly impact your affiliate earnings. In this video, we aim to demystify the complexities of YouTube's algorithm and show you how understanding it can be a game changer for your affiliate marketing strategy. By optimizing your content to align with the algorithm's preferences, you can enhance your reach, engagement, and ultimately, your affiliate earnings. It's crucial to recognize the importance of tailoring your content to meet the algorithm's criteria. YouTube's algorithm plays a pivotal role in determining which videos get surfaced to viewers, making it essential for content creators to grasp its workings. By cracking the code of the algorithm, you can position your videos for success and maximize your affiliate earnings potential. Throughout this video, we'll be sharing actionable strategies and tips to help you leverage YouTube's algorithm to your advantage. From optimizing your video titles and descriptions to understanding viewer retention metrics, we'll equip you with the tools you need to boost your income through YouTube affiliate marketing. So, if you're ready to unlock the secrets of YouTube's algorithm and supercharge your affiliate earnings, stay tuned for the valuable insights and strategies we have in store for you. Let's dive in! Understanding YouTube's algorithm. To truly harness the power of YouTube for boosting your affiliate earnings, it's essential to grasp the key components of the platform's algorithm and how they shape content visibility and engagement. YouTube's algorithm is a sophisticated system that considers various factors to determine which videos are recommended to viewers. Factors such as watch time, engagement metrics like likes, comments, and shares, and the relevancy of the content to the viewer's interests all play a crucial role in influencing the algorithm's decisions. By creating content that captivates viewers and keeps them engaged, you can increase your chances of being promoted by the algorithm and reaching a wider audience. SEO optimization and metadata also play a significant role in improving your content's visibility on YouTube. By strategically incorporating relevant keywords, creating compelling titles and descriptions, and optimizing your video tags, you can enhance your video's chances of being discovered by users searching for related content. Successful content strategies that align with YouTube's algorithm for affiliate marketing often involve creating high-quality, engaging videos that provide value to viewers. For example, tutorials, product reviews, and how-to guides are popular formats that tend to perform well on the platform. By understanding what resonates with your target audience and tailoring your content to meet their needs, you can increase your chances of driving affiliate conversions and maximizing your earnings potential. Optimizing content for better reach. When it comes to maximizing your affiliate earnings on YouTube, optimizing your content for better reach is key. By implementing strategic tactics to attract a wider audience and enhance viewer engagement, you can create a pathway to increased affiliate conversions and revenue. Compelling thumbnails, titles, and descriptions are your first opportunity to capture viewers' attention and entice them to click on your video. A visually appealing thumbnail paired with a catchy title and a concise, keyword-rich description can significantly boost your video's click-through rate and visibility on the platform. Audience engagement is another critical factor in expanding your reach on YouTube. Encouraging viewers to like, comment, and share your videos not only signals to the algorithm that your content is valuable and engaging, but also helps foster a sense of community around your channel. Responding to comments, asking for feedback, and incorporating viewer suggestions can further strengthen the bond with your audience and drive increased viewership. Creating shareable content that resonates with viewers is a powerful way to amplify your reach and drive affiliate conversions. Whether it's through storytelling, humor, or providing practical tips and insights, crafting content that viewers find valuable and relatable can encourage them to share your videos with their networks, expanding your reach organically and increasing the likelihood of driving affiliate sales. By focusing on creating content that is both engaging and shareable, you can unlock new opportunities for growth and success in your affiliate marketing endeavors. Before we get into the next topic, I wanted to take a moment to mention I am promoting a course called YouTube Mastery and Monetization. It's an excellent course if you want to learn about YouTube and how to make good money using YouTube. It also teaches how to operate your very own channel, even a faceless channel like I'm doing right now. And you don't have to make videos to be successful on YouTube's platform. I have more information listed in the description below this video for those that may be interested. There is also a free webinar that goes into detail about the course, Maximizing Affiliate Earnings. To unlock the full potential of affiliate earnings through YouTube, it's essential to implement strategic approaches that leverage the platform's algorithm and foster audience engagement. By combining effective affiliate marketing partnerships, data-driven optimization, and engaging content strategies, You can elevate your earnings and create sustainable revenue streams. Affiliate marketing partnerships and product placements play a crucial role in driving revenue through YouTube. Collaborating with brands and promoting products or services that align with your audience's interests can not only enhance your credibility, but also open up opportunities for earning commissions on successful conversions. By seamlessly integrating affiliate links and endorsements into your content, you can create a win-win scenario for both your audience and your affiliate partners. Tracking and analyzing affiliate performance metrics is key to optimizing your strategies for maximum earnings. By monitoring metrics such as click-through rates, conversion rates, and revenue generated from affiliate links, you can identify what's working well and where there's room for improvement. This data-driven approach allows you to refine your content, promotional tactics, and partnership strategies to drive better results and increase your affiliate earnings over time. Successful affiliate marketing campaigns on YouTube often involve creating authentic, value-driven content that resonates with viewers while seamlessly incorporating affiliate promotions. By showcasing how a product or service can benefit your audience and providing genuine recommendations, you can build trust and credibility, leading to higher conversion rates and increased earnings. By studying and learning from these successful campaigns, you can glean valuable insights and apply similar strategies to optimize your own affiliate marketing efforts on YouTube. As we wrap up our exploration of breaking down the algorithm, how YouTube's secrets can boost your affiliate earnings, let's recap the key insights shared and empower you to take actionable steps towards maximizing your affiliate earnings through YouTube. Throughout this video, we delved into the intricacies of YouTube's algorithm and how understanding its nuances can significantly impact your content visibility and affiliate earnings. By optimizing your content with compelling thumbnails, titles, and descriptions, engaging your audience through interactive strategies, and creating shareable content that resonates with viewers, you can enhance your reach and drive more affiliate conversions. The importance of affiliate marketing partnerships, product placements, and tracking performance metrics for optimization were highlighted as essential components of a successful affiliate marketing strategy on YouTube. By forging meaningful partnerships, analyzing data to refine your approach, and learning from successful campaigns, you can elevate your earnings potential and create sustainable revenue streams. We encourage you to take action today by implementing the strategies and tips shared in this video. Start by optimizing your content for better reach, engaging with your audience to foster a sense of community, and exploring new opportunities for affiliate partnerships and promotions. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new or enjoyed the video, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials on making money online. You can even stay on the channel and watch additional videos that interest you, as we have over 75 to choose from.